What?
Get some mutton.
Mutton?
Yeah, Ellensboro.
Oh, okay.
He's got his head in the clouds.
It's been a long
literally.
night. Yeah, I literally do. Via our Keeneland live camera here. The good news is that long night that many of us experienced with all those storms, the lightning was just so prodigious at times overnight. Such frequent strikes and the torrential rainfall. It's nice to see a max track that has calmed down considerably. We've got a couple of lingering showers rapidly dying out. Some stray rumbles of thunder still a possibility, but that's all that's left out of everything that came through overnight. So a few showers running down I-75 toward the Tennessee border. One lone flash flood warning in effect for Pulaski County. It goes down through southern Laurel County as well, and clips parts of northern Whitley County and Bell County there. There's the tail end of what was a very active night for us. On top of the fact that we had all that torrential rain flash flooding, we had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. We briefly had a tornado warning, some rotation within a few of those storms down around Whitley County. And here are the 24-hour estimated rainfall totals, where you go from that orange to red. That is an indication of about a 2 to 4 inch range, but there were amounts that were even higher that were measured from the Kentucky Mesonet sites. Look at that. Vanceburg had almost 5 inches of rain. 3.3 inches in Owingsville, 3 inches in Richmond. So there were areas that got absolutely swamped. And then you head from Lexington northwest, there was hardly anything there. 0.6 of an inch in Frankfort. Multiple flash flood reports, heavy rain reports, some wind damage reports. You had a couple of reports of trees down into our eastern counties. And now everything simmers down as that cold front tracks south. That frontal boundary is going to have a huge influence on the weekend. It's going to stall out and hang around just to our south, but it's also out of the Commonwealth, which means we're cutting the heat, we're cutting the humidity. We're not out of the woods as far as showers and storms go, though. There will be a lingering, kind of nagging chance for a few showers, thunder showers. Nothing like what we went through overnight, but still a few showers and storms around Saturday, and then the potential for some scattered development Sunday. This is yet another cold front dropping in. It'll be a reinforcing shot of even cooler and drier air. 73 degrees now. Highs today are going to be in the 80s, but the dew point is still in the 70s. It'll start to slowly come down. This indicates how muggy it is. When you have dew points in the 70s, that's that swampy stuff we've been dealing with all week. That mugginess is going to come down later on today into the 60s, and eventually we'll see the dew points in the 50s this weekend, which is very dry and comfortable. You can thank that second cold front for that. Also, we're running below average, and that could be a persistent issue through the weekend with an unbelievable stretch for this time of the year, early August, of well below normal temperatures. That finally starts to go by the wayside toward the middle end of next week. It looks like we're gonna warm things back up again. For today, though, mid-80s, those few showers and thunder showers still lingering way down south will rapidly diminish, and by later on today, the clouds will start to break up. You'll feel the humidity coming down as you go through the course of the day. Tomorrow, not a great day, but a better day than, or at least it's been over the past couple of days. If you don't like that heat and humidity, we're only going to see highs in the upper 70s Saturday. Some scattered showers and storms Sundays. That second cold front comes in, and the heat and humidity still held at bay. Highs still well below average, upper 70s to low 80s to start the new week off, and some sunshine to go along with it. We could get into a couple of really nice days early next week.